Welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss the interesting topic of building wealth while having a minimalist lifestyle. In a world consumed by consumerism and materialism, the minimalist lifestyle has emerged as a powerful antidote. More and more people are embracing the idea of living with less, focusing on what truly matters, and finding financial freedom through minimalism. In this video, we will explore the profound relationship between minimalism and wealth accumulation, providing practical insights and strategies for building wealth with a minimalist mindset. By the end, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to embark on a transformative journey towards financial independence and a more intentional life. Understanding minimalism and its financial benefits. Minimalism, at its core, is about simplifying life by decluttering physical possessions, mental burdens, and financial obligations. By intentionally living with less, individuals can free themselves from the financial strain of excessive spending and unnecessary accumulation. Beyond the aesthetic appeal, embracing minimalism offers numerous financial benefits. It leads to reduced expenses, increased savings, and a focus on long-term financial goals, which are crucial pillars for building wealth. Assessing and prioritizing your expenses. To build wealth with a minimalist lifestyle, you must start by assessing and prioritizing your expenses. This involves tracking your spending habits and identifying areas where you can cut back. Take a critical look at each expense and question its necessity. For instance, downsizing your living space can significantly reduce housing costs, while opting for public transportation or carpooling can save on commuting expenses. By consciously choosing your expenditures and prioritizing needs over wants, you can redirect your financial resources toward wealth-building activities. Minimalism in everyday life. Incorporating minimalism into your daily routines and habits can further enhance your wealth-building journey. Embrace the practice of decluttering regularly, not just your physical space but also your digital life and mental clutter. Simplify your wardrobe by adopting a capsule wardrobe approach, where you curate a small collection of versatile, high-quality clothing items. Reduce your reliance on technology and embrace digital minimalism by decluttering your email inbox, social media accounts, and digital subscriptions. Embracing frugality and mindful spending. Minimalism and frugality go hand in hand. Embracing frugality means being mindful of your spending habits and finding satisfaction in simplicity. Cultivate an awareness of your purchasing decisions. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if it aligns with your long-term financial goals and if it adds genuine value to your life. By adopting a frugal mindset, you can curb unnecessary expenses, avoid debt, and channel your resources toward building wealth. Moreover, the habit of mindful spending fosters gratitude and contentment, as you realize that true happiness doesn't come from material possessions. Maximizing savings and investing. Savings form the foundation of wealth accumulation. Start by creating an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses and provide financial security. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Beyond that, explore different investment options that suit a minimalist lifestyle. Consider low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, that provide broad market exposure with minimal fees. Real estate investments, such as purchasing rental properties, can also generate passive income and contribute to long-term wealth. Remember, the key is to invest consistently and diversify your portfolio. Mindful consumption and environmental consciousness. A core principle of minimalism is recognizing the environmental impact of our consumption patterns. By adopting a minimalist lifestyle, you inherently reduce your carbon footprint and contribute to a more sustainable world. Avoid the trap of mindless consumerism and opt for eco-friendly alternatives. Embrace the concept of less is more, and choose quality over quantity. By minimizing waste and making conscious purchasing decisions, you not only save money but also contribute positively to the environment. It's a win-win situation for your wallet and the planet. The emotional benefits of minimalism. Building wealth with a minimalist lifestyle goes beyond the financial aspects. Embracing minimalism can have profound psychological and emotional benefits. By freeing yourself from the constant pursuit of material possessions, you create space for experiences, relationships, and personal growth. Minimalism allows you to focus on what truly matters in life, such as health, meaningful connections, and personal well-being. The satisfaction derived from living a simpler, more intentional life far surpasses the fleeting joy of material possessions. It cultivates a sense of contentment, gratitude, and clarity, leading to overall happiness and well-rounded wealth. Building wealth with a minimalist lifestyle is a transformative journey that empowers individuals to regain control over their finances and lives. By consciously embracing minimalism, assessing and prioritizing expenses, practicing frugality, maximizing savings, and investing wisely, you can achieve financial freedom and build long-term wealth. Remember, this journey is not solely about accumulating monetary riches but also about living a life of intention, purpose, and fulfillment. So, start your minimalist wealth-building journey today, and pave the way for a brighter, more intentional future where true wealth is measured by the richness of your experiences, relationships, and inner contentment. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.